Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You meet Tanmaya again. So today I am going to talk a little bit about the English alphabet and the letters. So if I ask you a question, how many alphabets do we have? We have learnt in school over a period of years that there are 26 alphabets. However, let me tell you that there are 26 letters in one English alphabet. Yes, the 26 are letters and not alphabets. Every language has a single alphabet and they have certain letters. So we have 26 letters in one English alphabet, okay? And so we all know that there are 5 vowels, which are A, E, I, O, U, right? But these are just 5 vowel letters and there are more than 5 vowel sounds. So when I talk about vowel sounds, I will come to that, okay? Let's focus on the other letters. So the remaining 21. Now we know there are 5 vowel letters. So what are the remaining 21? These are called as consonant. But these are just consonant letters again. Although there are 21 consonant letters, there are more than 21 consonant sounds. And today I am going to take you through a few consonant sounds. Let me tell you that these consonant sounds are divided into 2 types, okay? One is the voiceless consonant sounds or the unvoiced, which means there is no voice or no sound. You can remember it that way. And the other type is the voice sounds. Now the difference between these 2 sounds is that for the voiceless sounds, you can just feel the puff of air. Let me give you an example here. When you say the sound p, p, place the palm in front of your mouth like this. P, p. When you say the sound, you will be able to feel the puff of air. The other one with it is the b sound, okay? B. Now when you say b, I want you to use these 2 fingers and place them on your throat like this. You will be able to feel the vibration like this. B, b. Try doing that yourself. The p sound is the voiceless or unvoiced sound. P. P. So let's talk about a few words that involve the p sound, okay? Words like powerful, political, people, protect, public. Let me tell you a trick here. It's a very simple trick, okay? For the p and the b sound, your lips meet each other. P, b. Only difference is the p is the voiceless sound and b is the voice sound because you feel the vibration, okay? P, b, p, b, okay? Now let me tell you a few words which have the b sound, okay? Like banana, beauty, behind, behave. These are a few words which have the b sound. So let me take you all through a few sentences that involve the p and the b sound. Alright? Okay, here we go. Police protect the people. These are 4 powerful political parties. This is in the public interest. Let's move on to the b sound. Bob makes baked banana chips. Big boys always behave. The baby is behind the swing, right? So all these sentences had the p and the b sound. Remember, whenever you say the p and the b sound, you have to get your lips together. P, b. And remember, it's not people, it's not police, it's not public, it's public. The more you use your consonant sounds correctly, properly, you will start sounding neutral. You will start overcoming your mother tongue influence. It's very, very important in order to sound correct, clear and neutral that you must use your consonant sounds every time. If you have any questions, you can always ask them in the comment section. If you have liked this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.